test drive the 2018 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.